Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another update for you for the ThePannersPan. I'm currently working on 5 products in here that are related to different panners. That's kind of the intention of this project. And okay, so let's look at that. I just quickly wanted to say this was started by Elisabeth from Now Shiny Happy Pants on Instagram. So if you're curious to see who started all of this, go check her out as well. Yeah, products. So starting off with the one that has been in here the longest and is going to be in here for a good little while still is my Da Vinci Cosmetics Pigment in Dejavous. Using this in my inner corner pretty much every single day whenever I'm wearing makeup, and over the last month that was 16 times, bring me to a total of 321 uses. And once again, I could not make a new mark. I need to start using this on my lids if I ever want to get through this, at least by the end of this year. So yeah, let's see. But that's that one. Then my Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. I haven't been making major progress on this since I rolled it in because I had other things that I was focusing on. But I finished off a lipstick in another project, and this is kind of my main one that I want to focus on at the moment. I have used this one 11 times over the last month, bringing me to a total of 53 uses, and I have been able to make a new mark. A significant enough new mark in my opinion, especially considering those were only 11 uses. I do feel like I can actually start making some proper progress on this over the next 2-3 months. See if I can get it done within that time. That would be nice. So yeah, that's that one. I'm happy about that one. Actually, this one is in here for Alexy. Everybody's linked down below as well. This was based on the Pan collab that she and Rebeca started together, and this one is in here for Rebeca from Panning and Stuff. Different Rebeca. So yeah, next up we have a concealer that is in here for Steph Lyons, Partners in Cream, and I'll try and film a close-up of this one as well. There seems to be more product left in the bottom of here, but I've had it laying on its side. I've tried I've tried multiple different things and really can't get anything out of here anymore. Now I have to say, can't is a bit too much because I haven't bought a new concealer yet. So I've really been scraping like 4 or 5 times to get like some sort of an application. Normally I would have called this quits already, but I need to repurchase a concealer. So yeah, but I'm calling it quits for the sake of this project because really it's not enough. Even to do the applications that I'm doing, it's not up to the level that I would want it to be. So it's done. This one is rolling out. Then we have our yellow gold pigment that's in here for Jessica. This is the NYX pigment. I don't know if I said that. And I've used this one 9 times over the last month, a little bit less than I did the month before. I think I really had a good like momentum going, and 9 is still not bad, but I think I could have done better. This brings me to a total of 73 uses, and once again I could not make a new mark, which is kind of frustrating, but I like the pigment, so there's no issues with that in that sense. So yeah, we're just gonna keep using it and see what's gonna happen. Yes. The concealer, I forgot to say, I had used it 210 times before. With those additional 19 uses, it's 229 uses for me to get all the way through. And I started about here, that's where I started my marking. So I guess in my case, it will take me about a year to finish this off, I guess. And then lastly, we have the Vice palette right here. This is in here for Elisabeth Christensen, because she has this palette as well. And I am working on the shade Robbery right here, which I have used 5 times over the last month, bringing me to a total of 28 uses. The last use is today. I have that on kind of like my main part of my lid, and then the yellow gold on the inside kind of going in. So yeah, definitely a dip starting to form. You can even see it from this distance, but no pan just yet. I think it's going to take a little while if I compare it to the 2 pans that I have right underneath. So yeah, we're just going to keep working on it, see what will happen. But I'm happy that I managed to get those 5 uses in. It's a really like easy shade to put on because it's light enough to almost use it as a one shade look. So when I'm in a bit of a rush in the morning, this is a really nice one to just turn on, maybe use 1 or 2 more shades to like create a little bit more dimension. But the shade in itself, because it's a slightly darker base, but it has a lighter like goldish finish or shimmer through it as well, depending on where it is on your lid, it makes it work as that one shade look if you would want to. I've never done it, but I think it should work. So yeah, so those were my 5 products. Now I've been thinking if I wanted to roll something new in here, but I think for this project I'm just slowly gonna sunset it. I've realized that like this is not my favorite project to do. It's quick to film because I only have 5 products in here, but I think that there will be room for me to do some other things if this project kind of moves out at a certain point. I've been doing it for, I guess we're nearing 3 years maybe already at this point. I'm kind of lost which number we're at, but yeah, so I think it's time for me to slowly start like getting rid of this project. Sounds wrong. I still like working on these projects, so it's totally fine for me to keep working on them for now, but I'm not gonna roll anything new in. I'm just gonna try and finish off what's still in here. I'm gonna have to see what I'm gonna do with that Vinci Cosmetics pigment, because of course I'm not gonna keep this going for another year just to show you a pigment once a month, but we'll see. But yeah, that's my plan. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know any other projects that you think would be fun for me to join in if this one starts moving out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye.